Good morning to all. Welcome to video lecture. A course material on CE 3003 prefabricated structure presented by R. Rajiv Gandhi, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rogani College of Engineering and Technology. Beam to column connection. Various types of connections. Beam to column connection with steel plate corbel. Beam to column connection with angle corbel. Beam to column connection with built up steel corbel. Beam to column connection with steel joist corbel encased in the beam. Beam to column connection with vertical steel bearing plates. Beam to column connection with concrete corbel. Beam to column connection with steel joist anchor. A beam column joist is said to be described if it able to transmit large amount of vertical shear stress. Depending on the type of bearing and the size of the bearing surface, different beam column joint will be able to transmit various magnitude of vertical shear forces. Beam to column connection with a steel plate corbel. The beam is supported on horizontal steel bearing plate which is cast into the column and is tack welded to the main reinforcing bars. The plate should have sufficient thickness to prevent it from bending. Beam to column connection with the angle corbel. This connection for SSB, when carried out according to variant, all is only able to transmit small vertical shear force and could be greatly considered only for temporary structures. Beam to column connection with the built up steel corbel. This connection for SSB will be able to transmit the large vertical shear force. The beam are supported and built up steel corbel which is cast into the column. That is variant A and variant B. Beam to column connection with the steel joist corbel encased in the beam. This connection of SSB can depend upon the size of bearing surface, transmit fairly large vertical shear force. In this case, the beams are supported on a steel joist corbel which extends into the risers in the end of the beam. This is also variant A and variant B. Beam to column connection with the vertical steel bearing plates. The beams are supported on vertical steel plates against the column faces. The beam ends are also provided with a vertical steel plate. The entire bearing construction is contained with a beam section. Beam to column connection with the concrete corbel. The beam are supported on concrete corbels. The connection is generally applied in simple supported beams. This is also variant A and B and C. Beam to column connection with a steel joist hanger. Beams are supported by means a steel joist hanger on concrete corbels. This connection is suitable for limited construction depth. A hanger construction must be designed to transmit the total vertical shear forces. Thank you.